Man accused of murdering a 2-year-old boy last month, facing a Lee County judge one day after turning himself in. Damian Palmer is charged with second-degree murder and child abuse. He's accused of beating Chevy Catalano at his girlfriend's North Fort Myers home. Now, Catalano died more than a week later. Foreign Corner was the only station on the scene last month when that child was rushed to the hospital. And tonight, Foreign Corner's Tony Sadiku is speaking with neighbors as well as the suspect's family in this case. Tony.
Amy, I spoke with Palmer's mother and grandmother today. They say they're still grieving for the boy's death, but they do tell me they saw Palmer before he turned himself into law enforcement yesterday.
Your Honor, we have Mr. Palmer.
Damian Palmer appearing in court for the first time this morning, charged in the death of 2-year-old Chevy Catalano.
You're charged with murder, dangerous, depraved, without premeditation, and cruelty toward a child.
Lee County deputies say the boy was in Palmer's care when he had to be rushed to the hospital in June. Doctors determined the young boy had extensive bleeding and significant brain swelling, not consistent with common childhood injuries. Allegations of child abuse leaving neighbors shocked.
We're all kind of surprised around here of what was going on.
The mother telling deputies at the time it all started when her son had been playing on a slip and slide at daycare and he had come home with bruises and scrapes. The next day, her boyfriend, Damian Palmer, babysitting the boy, called the mother claiming the child appeared to be having a seizure on a trampoline.
And I did speak to one of the neighbors and they said supposedly it was on a trampoline, but I've never seen one over there.
10 days later, the boy died from his injuries. Department of Children and Families is now investigating and tell Foreign Corner the child's family has been under investigation before by the agency. Palmer was not a part of that prior investigation. At this time, the other children in the home are now under DCF care.
Whatever happened to the child, I mean, they need to be accounted for.
And Palmer's attorney declined to comment today. He's currently being held at Lee County Jail on bond. Reporting live in Lee County, Tony Sadiku, Fox 4 in your corner.
All right, thank you, Tony.